Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Zaheer here, and today we will learn date formatting and custom date formatting. Okay, let's go. Yes, as you can see my screen, let me just put it. If you want to know the current date, let's say, okay, you can just type control plus semicolon. For example, I just typing control plus semicolon, I'll get a date. Okay, and control shift per semicolon, control shift semicolon, I'll get control plus shift plus semicolon, I'll get a time. Okay, so next I need to, as I can say, I just type first of it. If I type only, what I've done is 1/2, I type, it came on another format. If I type control plus enter, again it's coming in the same format, because the last time which I entered in this format. Okay, let's go to another example. Let's say I have a date. Okay, I'll just type first of it. So if you go here, if you see here, it is coming in date format already. There's a two date format has already been available. One which is we have already used. You can use one. You can use long date format. You can use first of Feb like that. Okay, and suppose if you want to change the format, you go here and come back again. Go to the custom. If you have so many formats here, if you want, you can select it. But let's say I go to custom. Okay, so here it says, let's see, here it says DDMMYYY. So date, month in 2 letters and year in 4 letters. So I need a, for example, I need a day of the week. I'll just type 3 Ds. So 2 Ds will get date and 3 Ds will get a week, day of the week of this current date, and 4D will get full letter. So I'll just use 3. So I use the same date and I'll get another format. If you want, suppose say you go here and say I need a month name to be displayed like this, and year should be only displayed in 2 letters. You can delete it. You can use, okay, so I'll get 11th of Feb. Okay, this one, if you just drag it, you will get date will be automatically increased by 1 day. And for example, if I use the same date again, control press enter, you go here and I go to custom, I take month, use this form, only month and year. Okay, if I drag this one, you will automatically increase the month. Okay, so I have not changed anything here from this to this. I just changed the format and drag it. If I drag here, this will get date will come. This I drag here. And earlier we have seen if you type only Jan like this, and if you just drag, automatically this is also being increased by month. Okay, this is one way. Let's keep it. Okay, next is again I go to the format again, go to the custom. Let's say what I want, usually this one you can say, and let's say I need a hours, minutes, and let's say AM or PM. Okay, so this I type the current time, so it is automatically coming as 12 AM. So I'll change it to time as, let's say, 11:15. It's coming as AM. So if I type 22:15, it's coming as 10:15 PM. So if I drag this one as well, what it comes, so see here, all the dates will get increased, time is keeping same. So you can use the date and time format as well. Okay, I think I've used the second format as well. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, let's go and say if you wanted to create one small calendar. Okay, some say attendance. Okay, what I do usually, what happens is attendance say, for example, first of let's say use this one, date, current date, just change it to 1st of Feb. I just increase it to, let's say, 30 days. Okay, this is my date, and I wanted to know the day of this particular weekday of this particular. So you can use text of another form. Here we have used to display in the same in the same cell, but we want to display in the other cell. So you can use text. If you want, you can write formula text. If you type no, just press tab, automatically this formula will come. I will use this text value. And what is the format for date is 3Ds, right? We've used. Okay. So you will get that. Okay, this one you can do. And for example, automatically I'll just drag it, so automatically the formula get increases as you understand the cell references. So from C4 to C5, I just drag it. So now I just, let's say, copy, and let's say I have come here and right click, I just go to transpose. So automatically what happens, if I just click here, you will get my dates. So here I have not changed the format. So let's say I wanted to change the format of this to, let's select everything, go to the format, I just use this form. Okay, and we'll get that. Let's delete this one. Okay, now I need to shrink the columns. Say for example, you can use align text, go to upward and just select again and double click here. Okay, so automatically, so now in attendance, normally what you will have is, you will have a roll number, let's say roll number and student name. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now roll number, I'll just type 1 and you just drag it and use flash fill series. You'll get all the, now my student number should be coming in 4-digit. I have 9,999 student or less than 10,000 student. So you can use, click here, go to the custom, what you need to do, type 0000. So I'll get the format in 4 digits. So we have learned from that. So let's say here is the name 1, something like that. Just double click here, automatically the numbers are there, the serial number. Okay, so this is the February month. How many, if you select here, how many days are there? I have around 29. Let's drag it to 31, and this also drag it. So how many are there now? So you will have 31. Okay, now this is my February month thing. Let's say here I'll just use merge and center, align. I use the date. I'll go to the format, custom. I just say date format, go to the custom. Here I want what I want to display, only the month. Okay, let's give full name and only 2 years. Okay, this is my, let's say this is my month. Okay, now see here, automatically this will come here. You can say, see, I need to, let's say next month I go, let's say this is the 1st of Feb, let's go to the next, let's say the month is increases. Okay, so what you can do is you can say 1st of March. So if I use 1st of March, automatically this should change, right? So what we need to do, equal to this. Okay, this one is just +1. Okay, just drag it here. Okay, if I change it to April, automatically the April say, see, remember that, see, please note that, see, the 1st of April, automatically this day changes. Okay, so now let's keep it to 1st of Feb, automatically it changes. And now you can here you can use them as, like, let's say, say, present. This guy is present on this day. This guy is absent. Let's say this is, then this is half a day. Okay, like that. Or you can use absent or leave, present, absent. So you can use that and use this as a, just use this one sheet. Okay, so this is how you can use this. So next class we will probably understand much more better on how to use this values and in drop downs and take account of number of student present, number of students absent, number of student taken half a day, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's go.